So the Fire TV ambient experience is only available on one 4K Firestick Max 2nd generation. Lots of you were asking if there's any way we can get some kind of similar functionality, some kind of useful homepage that we can leave on in the background and maybe just enjoy some nice video wallpapers as well. Well, there's a great application that works on all Fire Sticks, all Fire TVs and even Android TV devices. Let me show you that now. We have a really nice looking video wallpaper in the background. We can see Big Ben and the House of Parliament. I can see all of the weather for today, the humidity, the wind pressure. I also have multiple day weather forecasts. This is tomorrow. We can see that the weather or the picture changes. We can see there's some rain expected on Friday and we get some rain on the screen. So really nice looking video wallpaper application that's available for all devices. Even Android TVs can take advantage of this. I can also go to the left and in one click now I can check the weather in New York City and also enjoy some great looking video wallpapers. So in this video today, let me show you how you can get this application on all of your devices, absolutely free, and really just turn your home screen into something a lot more useful. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. So the application in question is called YoWindow, and many thanks to Sven who told me about this application. And that again is a really great thing about this streaming community where lots of you guys do regularly share your tips and tricks, your recommended applications, applications for streaming, utilities, and together we can use these applications, use these tips and tricks, and really just move forward as the best streaming community on YouTube. So many thanks for that. Okay, let's open up the application. Now, when you start the application for the first time, it will prompt you asking, where do you want to set your home location? So on my device, I set London, and I can now see the weather for today. I can see the wind pressure, I can see the humidity. Right now, because it's just gone 7 p.m, we can see that really nice video wallpaper and actually gives you like an evening kind of view. If I go to the top and if I select Thursday, we can see it now moves to daytime. So depending on what it believes the weather to be and the time as well, it gives you that kind of video. If I move over to Friday, where we can see it looks like it's going to rain, we can see then some kind of rain effect. So it is a small thing, but I think it's a nice touch to this free application. Now, if you can press left again, press left one more time, you can now actually cycle through some favorite countries that you've previously added. So here, for example, I can click on Prague and I can now see the weather in Prague. I get to see another really nice video wallpaper. Let's go left again. Let's check New York City. I can now see the Statue of Liberty. Now I can see the nice clouds moving and some of those planes flying in the background. Now, if you go over to this option here, this is basically where you can change that background wallpaper. So I can click on that. So here right at the top, you got these animated landscapes. Here, for example, you got town, valley, airport, sky, seaside, Americana. Let's try that. And we can now see a nice sort of animated wallpaper there. We can see Ladybug. I don't know if that's a grocery shop. You got Big Kahuna, which must be a burger joint, I guess, and some other buildings there. Let's go back. Now, if you scroll down, you can now see nearby. So these are other videos for sites nearby, New York City. Then you have Wonders of the World. Now, these you'll see we have one available in this application because there's also a premium tier. If you want to unlock all of the features, you can then access all of these other videos, but we can see that we do have one available for each of these categories. So sea, nature, castles, flowers, mountains, autumn, cats, dogs, paintings, winter, and some community ones. Here, for example, let's look at mountains. We look at some nice mountains there. We can see there's water moving in that lake, and that's working great. Let's click on settings. Here, for example, you can change the units. So if you want to go for Celsius or Fahrenheit, miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Here, I think it's the weather source. So you got two separate options here. Then you have sound. So I don't know if this actually has some sound, but I can't hear anything through my capture card. But do leave me a comment below if you actually hear some sound using this on a normal TV. Now, disable screensaver is actually a key option because if I click on this, we can see it's set to on. That basically means that if we go back to the home screen, my screensaver is now never going to start. So if I want to leave something running in the background, something that's not going to burn my OLED TV display, but at the same time show me some useful information, nice video wallpaper, this is really the easiest way to do that. Now to get this on all of your devices, whether that's on Android TVs or your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, just press the home button, click on search, and let's just type in the word now, Yo, and then window. There we are, YoWindow, click on that. Go down to applications, and these are the two ones here. So this is the free one, that's the one I've demonstrated today, but you also have the premium one here if you want to unlock all of those extra video wallpapers. And the application is also available on your Google TV and your TV devices as well. So that's pretty much this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Are you somebody that does use the ambient mode on the new Fire TVs? Do leave me a comment below, let me know, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.